the values.
Okay, so what's happening here is that you have a parallelogram and they cut each other in half. So 2x equals 4x minus 6.
Okay.
So negative 2x equals negative 6. X equals 3. If
All
x
right.
equals 3, that's 9. Therefore, y is 9.
Ah, okay.
For here, 4n equals 2n plus 12. So those are opposite of each other. So opposite side. So 2n equals 12. N equals 6. And then these have to be the same. So if you solve for m, what do you get for that one?
Uh, 2m plus m is equal to 5.
Good. Awesome. Good. Okay.
Uh,
So one thing you're want to do for some of these problems is utilize this formula. That's the sum
y-
of all the angles of the
yeah,
polygon.
I've become familiar with the formula.
Yeah, so you got 6 sides here. So you know all 6 angles have to add to 720. You already got 4 of them. The other two are variable expressions, and we got to work those out.
Okay, so then 100 plus 40. Nope.
So you should get 325, 465.
Minus 720. 255.
Right. And then these other two guys have to add up to that.
60. X is equal
Okay. What do you think about number 5?
to 2x is equal to 4x minus 40. X is equal to 20. Is that the answer? That x is equal to 20?
Um, they equal each other. Yeah. hmm Keep going. How was 6?
I didn't even need to pull out my calculator. Let's go. Okay. 3x uh is equal to 2x plus 33. X is equal to 33. So then y would be equal to 3x 3.
So then therefore that's 99,
So then y is equal to 99.
81.
Oh, 81.
They have to 180
Oh,
because they're on the same side of the parallel lines,
yeah.
same side interior angles.
X.
So here's the thing: if that's x, that's x. So 4x plus 10.
The only word I can think of. I think I doesn't go brilliant. Are there certain characteristics of
Oh,
how do I treat people as my number when many taps things of like someone who passed the thought or a name.
oh,
Equals 20.
I did not know I could do that.
Yeah, because what's happening is you have alternate interior angles because you have a rectangle because what's happening is that your diagonals are congruent and they're bisecting each other. Um,
Okay, so I do 8 now?
yeah, let's do 8. I'll let you kind of figure that one out on your own.
Okay. Uh,
Thoughts on it, but I just want them to come in with them because they're on the side that are not, you know, I learned the group stuff that I'm working today.
get a number.
I'm sorry, we got to my life, who I was, and I tried to only become better, and that's all that I'm looking at. How do you take all of those challenges from the past and move forward in a new relationship, especially when everything's been hard? And your life is recorded by TV. I was starting a relationship on reality TV with Tammy Rocky, and I did not find it to it. So, I've also seen relationships when my friends decide that were great. I would love to.
What?
We don't all survive you. So, so like this one. This one. Which I call state first and state is a lot. I don't know. I did not check that out for me.
Yeah, I'm not sure what it is.
Okay. Well, think about what's happening here. You got a bunch of congruent triangles. See, all four sides are the same. It's a rhombus. So what's happening here is that if that's 3x, that's also 3x. And
Okay.
that's 3x, and that's so you got a bunch of well, actually, let's backtrack a little bit here. It's also because you have a rhombus, these are right angles. So 3x equals 90.
Oh,
X is 30. That's 90 also right here.
so then,
If that's 90, and that's 60, then y's got to be 30.
oh, oh,
Yeah, so that's what's happened there.
okay.
Okay, next up, do you know the relationship here?
No.
Okay, notice the middle line is cutting the sides in half.
Mm-hmm.
You said you were out sick, right?
Yeah, that's sick.
How long were you out sick?
Uh, for roughly like I think around 2 classes.
Okay. Okay. That's quite a bit of class. So what's going to happen here is that X is going to be the average of the top and bottom. So because you get 15, now I know all the sides. You get 9, 15, and 21. Same thing again. I'm gonna let you work it out. And the reason why it's true is because if you were like to make a triangle like this and use proportions, you would see that those that would have to make sense for that to work. Because you get ratios of equal value. So we're gonna
I
work.
still do not understand this.
Well, you don't understand how to solve it?
How it works.
Okay,
I am so
well
confused.
go and solve this first, and I'll explain why it works.
I'll try.
So x equals x minus 8 plus 2x minus 12 over 2. So let's do the algebra and let's work it out. So go and clean up the top. When you clean up the top, yeah.
Uh, 4x.
Well, hold on. We have x plus 2x.
Uh, uh,
What's x plus 2x?
uh, that was wrong.
I'm sorry to hear you. What's x plus 2x? Okay,
3x.
good. And what's negative 8 minus 12?
Uh, -8 minus 12. 20.
Okay. Okay, I'll let you do it. Okay, what's the next step?
Does the x turn into 2x?
Correct.
Okay. And then we
Keep
just
going.
subtract the 2x to the 3x, and then we add to the 20. The way we make an addition.
Correct.
So then we get that.
Okay. So this is
Okay,
20,
I understand it now.
12, and that's 28. Okay, now why does this make sense? Why is that middle segment the average?
I'm not sure
Yeah,
why.
yeah, I'm gonna explain to you why. Well, I'm gonna tell you why. You what? Okay. So you know that this, we'll make up numbers actually. Say it's 4, that's 4, that's 3, that's 3. And say this is that's 6. Okay. So if I just focus on this right here, this is also gonna be 4. That's also gonna be 3. And this side is half of this side. And this side is half of this side. Because 3 is half of 6, 4 is half of 8. So therefore, this has to be 3 to maintain the same ratio. Also, the triangle that has the dashed red lines and this triangle that I'm circling right now, they share this angle up top. So anyhow, we're in a 1-to-2 ratio here. Then this is in a 1-to-3 ratio, 4 to 12. This is in a 3-9 ratio, 1 to 3. That's 9 down here. So what happens at 6 is the average of 3 and 9.
Oh,
That's why I'm allowed to make that relationship work. That's why it only happens when the line is the two sides in half. And the markings indicate that they're being cut in half.
I see.
Yeah, so that's what's happening. Right.
That is very confusing, but eh.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean, the stuff's gonna get more challenging as it usually should. Um, Let me have you work out these really quickly here. So figure out what angle 1 has to be and what angle 4 has to be.
Okay. Oh, wait, one would be 70. That is a very weird looking 70. So then 70, 40. Is that right?
Good. Okay. And what do you think about angle 2?
Angle 2 is 54.
Okay.
So then angle 3 would have to be 72.
Good. Okay. I'm gonna use the restroom. Why don't you go do 12, 13, right back.
Okay. Okay. So then 5 would be 62. Oh, wait, no. Okay. Then that would be 55 as well. Doesn't really help me. Uh, oh wait, 3 would be oh God, wait, what is that? 3 would be 55. So then 2 would also be 55. And if 5 is that, so then 4 would have to be 62. And then for 1, it's 55 plus 55 minus 82, 70. Let me just fix that 5. And this one, and 6. Somehow that 6 is worse. Well, I should probably do this other one then. Well, wait a second. So then 1 is equal to 49. Is equal to 49. 4 is equal to 49. Okay, so then 2 is equal to 82.
Okay.
Well, is I supposed to do 14 or not? I forgot.
Angle 1 is 90.
Oh, oh.
You may want to redo that one.
Wait, but I thought that those would add up to 55. Was that wrong?
Angle 5 is 62. You got that right. Angle 4 is not 62 because you got a kite. So they're going to cut each other and they're going to form right. The diagonal is going to form right angles.
Oh, oh. So then,
So
what about threes?
angle
Three
5 is
is
right.
55?
It's 35.
35.
And angle 1 is
Oh,
90.
now I'm starting to see it. Now I'm starting to see
And
it.
angle 2 is 35 because you have an isosceles triangle here. And angle 5 is 62. The angle 4 is 28.
Okay, I see it now.
Yeah.
I did not realize that. What about number 13? Oh,
Um, the rhombus. So first of all, angle 2 is 90.
okay, I got. No, I did not get that right.
Yes, that's 90. Well, okay, now you know that. Um, and here's the that's 49, so that's 41.
Okay.
Because you alternate your angles. Um, that's also 41 over here. Um, I wonder if we have enough information here.
Well, would 3 and 4 be 41?
No, not necessarily.
Uh, I see.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, would
I
they
know
both,
I know 104 app to 90,
so would they be 45?
but they're not. Hold on. Actually, do you create four? And you know what? That is 41. My bad. Yeah, my apologies. I got this. I'm sorry. I'm losing my mind. 49.
Matt wears us all down, I guess.
Okay, so that's 90. No, because it cuts it in half. I should know that. So these two angles are the same. Yeah, so if that's 41, angle one's also 41 degrees. Angle three and angle four. Yeah, if angle one's 41, angle four is 49. And since that's 41, angle three is also 41.
Okay.
Right. That's 39 degrees. These are right angles. What's angle two going to be?
Uh, 51.
Angle four?
Uh, 39.
Angle four is 39.
Angle 1 is 51.
Correct. Good. Good. Okay. Let's classify these.
I am unfamiliar. Wait, so am I just supposed to say the name of the shape? It's 15. 15 is a square. I'm not sure what 16 is. Is it a diamond?
Kite.
Oh,
Well, actually,
I only know some shapes because of playing cards, actually.
yeah, we just say quadrilateral.
Okay, then.
But this is a kite.
Huh. Those are not called diamonds.
What
So
would you
then
call
18 is
18?
a rhombus?
Good, you got it.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Yeah, let's go wrap this up.
Find the measure of an interior and external.
So remember, you do 11 minus 2 times 180. So 1620.
Okay. So then, how much is a decagon? How many angles is a decagon?
10.
10. Oh, that is kind of disappointing, actually. That would be more. 1,440.
Correct, right.
So then that one would be 21 is 2,520.
Got a calculator.
Yeah, I have a calculator.
Just then double check your math.
Okay.
Cool. Got it. Okay, we're at home stretch here.
Okay,
So if all the angles add up to 1440, you're doing
10.
this. Correct.
Yay.
But here,
15.
yeah. Okay. This one. Well,
Uh,
count number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
$940 minus 1,080. 140. N is 140.
Yeah, 140. Yeah.
Okay.
And the last one.
How would I do this?
Um, it looks like it's very least we have a parallelogram.
Is it a kite or
No, because you have parallel sides. The two.
so then what is it?
Well, still baby B is 1/2, negative 1/2. And it's also negative 1/2. Actually, sorry, negative 3/4. My bad. Here are the distances. That's the distance of 5 and also 5. And if you do Pythagorean theorem, 4, 3, that's gonna be 5 as well.
So then,
Rhombus.
oh,
You gotta do distance formula, which is basically quad form.
okay.
Yeah. So yeah. It's like
Guess we're done.